Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm here with another Stash to Destash video with a little bit more information on the date of my sale. I'm just going to schedule it for, I guess I'll do 9 a.m. on June 30th, and that's 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so there's going to be 20 to 25 lots. I have one that is like it could be individual, or you could buy the whole shebang. I think it's a La Land Crafts. I have some kits. I'm going to be destashing 4 of my kits. I think it's the complete kit. I just have too much, and I'm debating about canceling my La Land Crafts. Even though I love it, I just don't have time. I have so many kits I haven't even opened up, and it just makes me feel sad. And I have so many cards, and luckily I have been, I wouldn't say mailing cards, but I got a bunch of cards for people's birthdays, for graduations, for retirements. My kids took a lot of cards, especially Lily, my daughter. She needed graduation cards. She needed birthday cards. She's sending out thank you cards to everyone who sent her a gift for graduation. So, so cards got used, and that's amazing, but, never as many as what I have. And, I do Christmas cards every year for my boyfriend's business. So I send out about 50, I have to have about 50 cards for him. And so, this has helped me make a bunch of cards to get started on that. But my craft area is crazy. So I need to get rid of stuff. Anyway, that is information about the sale. I'll talk more about it, as, in the video for the sale. And so, I take PayPal only and US only. The other thing is, I don't know. We'll see. If I have more things to share, I will. But let's get into this. So I am destashing, is it all my paper tray ink or not? I don't know if I have paper tray ink left. I think I kept a couple paper tray ink things. And part of that is I got to use this stuff before, before my next sale, which will be in November. All right. I have this Words to Live by Gratitude. So you get one big gratitude stamp, and then you get all these smaller sentiments that go with it. Okay. And then I have all of these globe, and I love the idea of the globe. I just don't have time to use it. And so I have this globes, and then I have all of these globes that go with it, and these are long expired. So this is, I think I'll end up being a one ginormous bag. And it might be a little pricey because it's a lot. So I'm going to have to price it in my head. I don't know what I'm going to do. This is Signature Greetings. I believe this was Don McVeigh, who does not work for them anymore. And you can see that I did use a lot of the sentiments in here. And they are great. They are beautiful sentiments. There's no dyes with these. They're beautiful sentiments. It's wonderful font. So there's that. Here's something that I've never used. It is Friendship Jar Holiday Filler. So it's supposed to go into some sort of jar, which I don't know if I have that jar or not, but I didn't see it. I really contemplated just keeping it and trying it out for Christmas, but honestly, I have too much Christmas stuff. In my last video, I talk about that a little bit more. And here's the other globe. And then this, which is amazing. It's so cute. I'm going to share some cards with it. Is this Festive Mugs, and it comes in this little pack, and it's these cute little mugs. So I'm going to show you how I used it, and then I've got the matching dies that go with it. That alone is worth some money. And then I did one of the cards, I did use this. This is not in the destash because I love my freaking Sunny Studio penguins. Keeping those. But here are the 2 cards. And so this one, I had this backgrounds from last Christmas, and it was in my stash, so super fun to be able to use it. And then I use that Stack 'em Up die. I will say, if you use this die, what I would do, and I wish I'd known this, that it's hard to cut this out is to cut it first. So die cut your mugs and then stamp on it, because it'll be easier for you. You can line it up. It won't be off like mine is off. So that's what I recommend, but I think it's very cute. And then this one right here, I have this paper pad I had gotten for free from scrapbook.com, I believe. And so I've been just kind of pulling paper out of that. And because it's 5.5 by 4 1/4 paper, it's like perfectly sized. And I had this left over, this green piece left over from, I think, Pink and Main's, I don't know. I have it in my stash, so I used it. But I used this little mug, and then my little penguin, he's popping out, and I love the mugs. They're really cute. But I've had it for years, and this is the first time I've used it. So I think it's time to say goodbye to it. But really, really cute. These will all be in my Destash. I believe it's all going to go in one, pack, one lot. And I'm going to keep doing this until I run out of envelopes, and I think or run out of like little bags that I'm putting them in. And so I think I've got like 2 or 3. I mean, I could probably rustle up some more, but I have like 2 left once this one gets packed in my craft room right now. I also have 2 boxes. I also have a stack of freebie stuff that I will put in people's bags or boxes or whatever they get until like the box or bag is full, because I do flat rate envelopes. So be aware that there'll be maybe some free dies or stamps or stencils, whatever I have. And I was like, I want to deal with this. That might be in your bag as a little surprise. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. The sale is scheduled for June 30th. 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Cindy. Cry the Heart.